Okay guys, been pedaling for about 25 minutes straight right here to get to where all these birds are working, and I tell you, I hope we get in some of these fish. There's obviously a lot of bait here, but I hope there's some fish here too, which normally there is. And I hope it's not gaff top. Man, I hope it's not gaff top. So let's see what happens. Let's try to catch some fish. Oh, looky there. That's a black drum. Hope the camera picked that up. Okay guys, at this point I went ahead and just started making some casts. I got up to the birds, and as I started going, I ended up hooking into a fish, and the way he shook his head pretty fast and hard, I was thinking it was a big trout. But here you go, here's the footage for that, and I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I did. Okay, we're on a fish right here. I think it's a trout. I'm not sure yet. Oh no, that's a good red. Oh yeah, that's a really good red. That's a hell of a way to break in a new pole. And a hell of a way to break in a new pole and a reel. Nice big red. Hell yeah. We'll just let him pull us around. Oh my, he's a big boy. He might be my PB on a yak, because he was pretty big. Oh man, he's a nice fish. And alrighty guys, this is on. This is on the, I'm using mono, remember, which I don't ever use mono. So I'm like really trying to finesse this fish in. And he's a good bull red. Really good bull red. He's got plenty of strength too. He's a good fish, look at that. Look at that big old boy there. That is definitely my PB on a yak. Might be my all-time PB, I don't know. He's pretty big. We'll see. Second big fish today. 36-inch black drum was the first one. But we landed him, but he's too big. We're not going to keep him. So he's going to get to go live another day. And this one I can't just muscle up. Oh no 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 no. There we go. We've already had that happen once before. We didn't want that to happen again. I don't want to tighten the drag up in it because I know he will just snap this line. So I'm really having to fight him out. I don't know how long it's been, but I know it's been it's been more than 5 minutes. Yeah, ain't getting much ground. Just spinning the handle. That big guy right there. Look at that, he's just spinning me around. I gotta spin around to stay on him because he's still running. I don't know how long this has been going. Just want to make sure the camera's still on. How much battery we got? Oh no, we're about to lose the battery, guys. See if I can do this and not lose the fish. Man, this is gonna suck. I gotta get this fish on. I gotta get him all the way on video. This is gonna be the hardest thing I've ever done. Try and change the battery while I got a big old bull red on. Okay guys, I gotta give this a shot because the battery's like literally about to die. So I'm gonna see if I can get this done without losing this fish. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, we're back on. I still got the fish, fortunately. I don't know how well the camera turned out. It might be blurry as all get out, but hey, we're trying to catch this fish. Okay, let's see if we can get it. And the reason I've been fighting it for so long is because I'm on mono. And I think this is a 12-pound mono. So I'm really finessing it. I don't have a leader tied on. It's straight mono on mono. And just straight mono to lure. So that's why I'm being so delicate with it. I don't want to lose the fish because of this. Because if it had been braid, I'd probably muscled them in a little bit harder and wore them out faster. But since it's mono, definitely making him suck more air now. He's gonna have to fight harder now. That's dangerous what he just did, because a lot of times when redfish do that, they unhook themselves by changing the position on that hook. I think he's about done. He's almost done. So I keep trying to bring him up, making him fight harder. Come on, come up. Come up, get your head up. Hit your head up. Hit your head up. There you go. Oh, he's getting that hook close to coming out of his mouth. There we go. Head up, head up, head up, head up. Come on, get that head up. Here we go. head up. Trying to keep his head up. Keep his head up and get him. There it is. Oh, look at that. He's almost done. He's about to fall out. Can we get him? Yes, we got him. We got him. Uh-oh, he's not on completely. We got him, but he ain't completely on. There, okay. Now we got him. Got him. Hell yeah. Yes. Oh, yes. 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 Whew. Oh, I'll tell you, that was one hell of a fight. Look at that. That hook just fell right out. Oh, you see how close that was? That's how close we were to losing that fish. That's why it's important to keep that pressure on them for that long, guys. Don't ever let that pressure up off of them. But look at that. Oh man, this is awesome. This is awesome. This is the heaviest redfish I've caught. I haven't caught a redfish this big. This is definitely my PB. Let's see how heavy it is. He is 28 pounds, right? I don't know, 25. Oh, yeah, 25 pounds. Holy shit. Whew. Hell yeah. Let's see if I can get a measurement on him, because he's big. Oh man. Let's see. Okay. Head's there. Tail is there. He is pushing right at 36. Oh man. Let's see. There's his nose is there. Tail is pushing close to 37, 38 inches. Okay. I really do hope the camera picked all of that up. I'm not sure how good the footage is going to be, guys. If it came out crappy, I apologize. But yes, that was a monster bull red. It made this whole day just completely worth it. Really, first time I really caught a big fish on this kayak. Definitely broke in the Lew's custom inshore on a new Waterloo Phantom rod. I got that right after I got back from fishing in Missouri, catching those rainbow trout. I came back on my way back. I got the Lew's reel. I talked about that already. We'll be giving it a review, and also I will be doing reviews on all my other reels too. I just kind of fished hard and I put them through a lot, so I want to make sure that when I give you a review, it's not a 1 week, 2 week review. I want to give you the review that's where I've fished for it for about a year, maybe less, maybe a little bit more, but I want to make sure that I'm giving you some solid information, and it may be what you like, may not be what you like, but that's okay. That's what this is about, just sharing how we feel and how the things that we like or we don't like about certain equipment and fishing rods and reels. So, but hey guys, thanks for watching. Not sure if I'm gonna fish anymore, but that's awesome. I'll tell you, it's just flat out awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Maybe next time we'll see you on the water.